Alright, let's continue our journey of Adobe Illustrator, but on iPad. So we previously talked about the selection tool as well as this shift key here. So you can do this selection and holding shift, so got multiple selection, right? And we can move. Let's talk about the direct selection. So if you hold over here, direct selection. Okay, so the direct selection tool is like when you select a specific thing. Okay, let me just show you. I think it's easier for just to show you. So click it. You can select not only this object, but also a lot of key points on this object. Okay, so you might think, hey, I can just click here and then move, drag and move. Yes, of course you can do that. So you can move a specific point in this object and click and move specific object at here. But sometimes it doesn't work on every object. So let me show you. So for example, if I got this rectangle here, you can use the direct selection tool, click it, okay? And then when you try to move this and try to drag it out, sometimes you can't do that. You might wonder why I can do that in this say here. I can do this here. Why sometimes it can, sometimes it can't. Okay, that's because you may unintentionally click it twice. Okay, so if you click it twice and then you can move it. The same goes for here. So basically I change a subject and then I click it, it won't move because I just click it the first time. If I click it second time, okay, let me click it second time. Okay, sometimes it doesn't work. Yeah, I can move it. Okay, so I can click and drag and move somewhere here. And then remember we got this little circle here. You can click and drag, make it more rounded. Okay, and then we got this basal curve. Then you can change the degree of the curve. Okay, you can get all sort of a design by using this. Okay, so for example, we got something like this, and then you can say click it here and maybe move it inside. Doesn't really matter. At this point, you can do a lot of things. And then you want to move, say, the whole thing. You can just change to the selection tool, select and move it. Right? Pretty simple. So the key point here is to first select that you need to create that specific point that you want to change. And sometimes you need to select twice in order for it to actually move a specific point. And then once you finish and you want to move the position of the whole object, go back to the selection tool and then you can move this around. Okay, you can move this around. Okay, thanks, bye.